Oh, you gotta leave that young thing alone. 'Cause ain't no sunshine when she's...
Ow, ow! What's up, sugar mama? You wanna get in the... No? Alright, yo, she's gonna call the cops. Drive.
Okay, Miley, how do you feel when you're touching metal?
I love that. Your ball.
Best impression of a kid who got separated from his group of friends and his cell phone battery just died. Go.
Shit.
Johnny!
Damn! You got a date? Or no? You tryna date? Or no?
Just want to remind you guys to smile because you're beautiful just the way you are and you're not worthless. Whatever you're going through, you can get through it, I promise.
J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet, you know. So
My God, I feel it in the air, tell her for once.
Hey! Holy fuck. Oh my god, dude. Jeez. Oh man, I feel bad. Class, open to page 243.
I've got the power.
Caleb, sit down! Wait, what happened? What happened? Dude, what did we do? Wait, there's a test? Oh my gosh. Alright, how do you do this? Someone help.
Do it for the vibe.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vibe.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vibe.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it.
Alright, class, time to pass out Valentine's. Vladimir, no vodka!
What do you mean no vodka?
Best impression of a white boy.
Mom, why'd you cut my Xbox Live? I hate you!
Selfie. Ew, you can see my age-defying marks. Yes. Make me your Aphrodite, just...
Can't see the haters.
I wanna be drunk when I wake up on the right side of the wrong bed.
I'm feeling the beat. I'm feeling the beat!
Don't like walking around this old empty household.
I'm here with the queen. Whoa! Baby, you thought it was you, but it was me!
For the next 12 hours, all crime is legal.
The carpet!
Alright, so I'm gonna text you. And after I do that, I'm not gonna respond. 1-0 Matt. Why are you arguing? They are red.
No, they're
they
green.
are red.
They are green, just like mine.
You're everything that I see. I want your high love and say something, I'm giving up on you.
Roses are red. Violets are blue. Baby, come through.
Yeah. You want a piece of this ice cream cake? A slice of this apple pie.
Hey guys, a lot of people have been asking me about suicide, and I just want you to take this as a sign that you're worth it and to keep fighting. You can get through it, I promise. I'll be a soldier, fighting every second of the day, and the dreams go.
Selfie!
I don't know, man. Trust me, it's gonna be fun. Hey, y'all, welcome to the nudist convention.
What the?
Let's go!
No.
yeah. There's no going back.
Take the clothes off my back, and I'll let you.
One day you here, one day you there, one day you care. You was so unfair.
Girl, are you singing Holy Girl?
What you talking about?
On a scale of 1 to 10, you're at 100. Want it every night, need it every day. Chloe, I know your sister turns everyone on.
Oh my god, I am so thirsty. Oh my god, it's Nash. What is he doing in there? Oh my god.
Oh my god, wait, what's today?
It's Friday.
You're telling me I missed Throwback Thursday?
It's okay, girl.
Posting this anyways.
Walk into the club like.
Hi.
Topic. Due to severe weather, school has been canceled.
Turn down for what?
Do you got a bae? Or no? Is you trying to date? Or no? Think the first song comes to your head. Baby, come through, you deserve.
And for the birthday boy.
Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like.
Welcome to the club, like, what up? I got a I'm in the wrong building. Is the funeral service? Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm falling to pieces.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Guys.
Oh, jeez. Hold on, let me grab my purse.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel, yeah.
Hey, Billy, just want you to know that me and your mother love you and we're never getting divorced.
Really, Dad?
Nope, April Fools. We already filed the papers. Now get in your cage.
What?
Girls be like.
No makeup. Oh my god, I'm so ugly. Good thing I have makeup to fix that. All better.
Yeah, can I go home? I have no idea what's going on.
You even in this class?
I'm so lost.
Hey, do you get this?
Hey, hey, hey.
Me and Eric are about to go vandalize some stuff.
Hi, sure about this? Yeah, man, just go, hurry.
As long as you la 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 la.
Hey, hit that nay-nay.
Man, I can't wait for tonight with my girl. She is the bestest. Psych, I'm single, I'll be at home watching Netflix.
Yo, Breaking Bad's about to start.
Coming.
If you wanna go and take around me, three billion with the fours and the gold teeth to see why.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Best impression of a kid who has a die-hard passion for paddle boats.
Come on! Just accept it, man. They're sweet!
You'll never get your blessing to the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, but the answer is no.
What do you want?
Just give me some fries.
What do you want?
Fries.
What do you want?
Fries, dude, can you not hear?
You are my one and only.
Look over here. Look over. Hey, hey, hi, hi, what? Hey. Hi.
Ah, yeah!
When someone you don't know walks into the classroom.
Stranger from the outside.
Keisha, you were supposed to be ready 20 minutes ago.
Calm down. It's got bad.
Damn, girl.
Here we are. Alone in this room. I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing, yeah. Oh.
I've come to the conclusion that it's literally impossible to say bubbles in an angry way.
Bubbles! Bubbles! Bubbles!
Yo, I'm rapping on these streets because I'm a freaking gangster. Yeah, sagging my pants because I'm a gangster swag.
Hey, what's up? Hey, Matt, what's up?
Smells good.
And I like to be everything you want.
Oh.
What up?
Oh my gosh, Megan, you're eating the whole cart.
It's mine, God!
Random character and backstory, go.
My name's Garrett, and I had 3 llamas, but one
Get over here and clean your room!
Yes, I finally understood a question. All right, next question. What? This doesn't even make any sense.
And we'll never be royals.
You can call me green bean.
Green beans.
Let me tell you a story about a girl and a boy.
Let's take a pic. Hashtag trees.
Hashtag air.
Hashtag leaves.
Hashtag nature.
Hashtag selfie.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop
And I won't be who you asking me to be.
So you're gonna have me in school for 8 hours. Give me another 3 hours of homework, and you think I'm gonna do it? You thought.
Yes, a 98. What'd you get, Derek? A 99.
You mad or not?
Oh.
J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet, you know. J's on my feet.
Bethany Cat.
What?
I feel it in my bones. Enough to make my system blow.
Got my check, peasants.
$15 check on candy.
Don't judge me.
When the person you don't like tries to make a funny joke. Oh yeah, that was funny and all, but shut up.
Oh, Detroit's much worse than this. We have property down there, yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
There's something about you, girl, that makes my head wanna twirl.
Alright, here's the plan. Since we're in a bad mood, we're gonna make our kids in a bad mood too. Go in their room, yell at them. Once you're done, leave their door open. Alright, parents on 3. 1, 2, 3, parents!
Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I like to post random shit. I really hate winter, yeah.
Carter, remember when I told you that I'm scared of elevators?
What?
Remember when I told you I'm scared of elevators?
Best impression of a kid who wants to buy a mature rated video game, but his mom won't let him go.
But Mom, it's just a couple guns and some knives.
Okay, Jerome, repeat after me. Blood.
Blood.
Hot tub.
Hot tube.
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
That's good, man. That's all.
I can't read scary books because I flip out. Honey Cyrus.
I'll never be royal.
You can call me green beans.
Joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, though it makes no sense to me.
I'm gonna eat this gum, but first, let me take a selfie.
What's up, guys?
Thanks for 500,000.
Baby, grind on me.
Psych!
You know what they say. Love's an open door.
In the room of JC's, we're in their lives right now.
Don't tell me you're my heartbreaker, 'cause girl, my heart's breaking.
You don't have to love me. You don't even have to like me. But you will respect me.
Oh my gosh, Mom, I know I shouldn't have done it. Come on, I was at a party, I was around a lot of people, and you know, I was just...
Coochie down to the side.
Mom, get in the pole. Hold on, son, let me get your bag. Oh, stop. Hold on, let me get your face too.
Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could.
Beach. Bitch. Sheet. Shit. Thug life. Thug life? Yeah, it's man. Good, right? I don't see a difference.
Best impression of a kid who just witnessed his dog and he run over in the street.
Run me! me! No!
Make me your friend in the palm of your hand now.
Becky, did you get the 1D album? Batch that I got at? Or did I get 3?
You want something? Go get it. Period.
I'm the next Avatar. Skills.
It's too cold for you here.
Jack, you won't get better unless you drink it.
Guess who got an A? That's right, me, not you. Boom! What did I get? Oh, it's funny. God!
Oh!
Tiffany, did you poop?
Oh, what's up? I'm Aquafina. Oh, hey, I'm Sony.
Hey, Fiji, where you at, girl? Oh, getting your nails did with Evian? Alright.
The story of my life, I take it home.
Swag, 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 swag.
Chipmunks be like. Wait.
God, this bitch is so annoying, dude.
I got just a thing. Straight from the black market.
Totally started hooking up. Dude, no way!
You're all that matters to me.
Oh, jeez.
Hello, Nash.
What's up, man? I've seen you so long.
Stop doing that.
Stop doing that! Stop doing that!
Sound like that.
I don't even sound like that! I don't even sound like that!
Straight out the plane to a new hotel. When you see an attractive person and you're just like, can I have your number? Can I have it? Can I have your number?
Cats. I have cats in my pockets.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Oh, damn, you got some soft ass cheese.
Hey, yo, you guys got a problem?
Nice, got some soft cheese.
Alright. Dudes be like, just woke up.
Today's gonna be the day that they're gonna run it back to you.
Don't worry about it, man. You'll get it next time. Are you kidding me? How do you get that wrong?
Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping one day you'll make it dream last.
Hey, hit that nay-nay.
Any day of the year. Alright, I want this, I want this, I want this, and I want that. Christmas and my birthday.
Saturday night and I'm laying in bed. Wanna know why? Cause I don't have any friends and it sucks.
Yo, this is up. Let's mess with her. Jack. Here. Jack. Here. You know you have the same name, right?
Shut up, Dave.
Rebel.
You know, a lot of people do whatever they can just to bring you down. So just don't pay attention. Live simply so others can simply live.
Hit me like a ray of sun, burning through my darkest night. You're the only one that I want.
Just forget the haters.
Somebody loves you. Mwah.
Oh my gosh. Right? That's perfect.
Mom!
When was the last time you went to the bathroom?
Guess what? I got a call.
Jim, I quit. No, I know he knows. He's just trying to be difficult.